Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change Outlook back to original settings. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you want to reset or revert Outlook to its original settings, you can do so by performing a few steps. Keep in mind that these steps might vary slightly depending on the version of Outlook you are using. Here's a general guide on how to do this. So the first step would be, open your browser settings, click on the three dots on the top right, hit on Clear Browsing Data, clear browsing data including cookies, uncached images or files, then hit on Clear Data. Now, resetting browser settings can also help in clearing cached data. Then, close and reopen your browser. Although these steps will not completely revert Outlook on the web to default settings, but they will clear cached data that might be affecting the application. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.